going on, y'all? It is Chris with pennies1000s.com, and here it is. It is a new year, January 1st, 2023. We're going to make this a year where we're continuing to get money online, continuing to build. And what better way to start out the year with one of my favorites, get paid to sites, Swagbucks. Been using it for a very long time, done plenty of videos on it. I just want to continue to give you guys updates of, how I'm doing it, the money that I'm making, all that kind of good stuff. So you will see right here, I have 5,100. Well, right after, let me get that 5,133 swag bucks in my account. That is equivalent to $51.33. I use this site daily, literally. I just want to show you my bonus here that I've been getting. So if I click on this, and once it's finished loading, you'll see just today I have earned $20.36. I mean, it's 2,300. That's 2,036 swag bucks. But like I said, I'm just continuing to do these surveys, these offers, and like it is very, very easy. You see here, I'm continuing my streak bonus, current streak of 10 days, where basically I have to make at least 70 swag bucks a day. I think in the first week you only have to get 30, but like as you get further into it, it's 70. But and then you can do another 140, you get another 5 swag bucks, and you see at the bottom, bonus swag bucks I've earned this month is 92 swag bucks. That's just in bonuses. That isn't has anything to do with offers, nothing like that. So that's why I'm able to just cash out so often in this site and make a lot of money with it, just because I not only do the surveys and the offers pay good, but they give you bonuses all throughout the site. So it is really good. Another one of bonus you can get over here, completing 6 of these items, you can get 2 swag bucks. If you complete 8, you'll get 7. So I mean, like I said, there's bonuses all across the board. That's helped me to get over $50 with this site just in a matter of a couple of days. So first, I can show you the survey section. So if I go over here to answer, you will see all the surveys that they have. They also have a daily poll where they'll give you a daily question. The daily poll is worth 1 cent. And right here, this is the survey section. So let me exit out of this real quick. And this is how it happens. If there's a star next to it is featured, that means you have a high chance of qualifying for it. So this 5-minute survey, 250 swag bucks. I mean, that seems really appealing to me. So I'll probably end up taking that after this video. And you just kind of scroll down, you'll see surveys here. They have, lots of them. 1 minute, 10 swag bucks. I mean, and it's still loading, so they have more surveys for you. So that's just the survey portion of it. There's lots of different surveys they'll continue to add throughout the day. So I encourage you to kind of check back throughout the day. Like I said, the daily poll is over here. Let me go do that real quick. Like I said, there's actually one question and you just answer it, simple and plain, and you'll get your 1 cent. So how often do you play board games? I said like a few times a year. So click on that and do vote. And you see there, my balance went up to $51.34 now. So like I said, I just do the daily poll every day, really quick, really easy. They also had different surveys you can do as far as Peanut Labs. There's some other survey providers. If I go over here to the shop section, you can, get deals on things like that, and they'll kind of give you cash back for shopping. You can buy gift cards, and they'll give you like, a percentage back and put it into your Swagbooks account. So, whenever you're shopping or you're going on vacation, I kind of, always look at these the offers that you're getting, because if you're going to buy those things anyway, make more sense to kind of get cash back for that. All right, so the magic receipts section. This is one where you get paid to take pictures of your receipts. You get paid 2 cents for every receipt that you take a picture of. And also they have different offers that you can do. So let me kind of click on this and show you all of what they have in here. Because sometimes if you buy something that's, on their list, you'll get, a lot more than 2 cents. So I'm going to show you that real quick. So you'll see here all of these different things you can buy here that's on this list. If I buy any of these products, you see the amount of swag bucks that I'm getting now. These are a lot of swag bucks right here. Just buying this Coca-Cola, Sprite, thing like that added to my list. If I buy that, that's 1,200 swag bucks, $12. I mean, it's just that simple. And this is one of the things that I do when I'm actually helping me to get this amount of swag bucks right here. Buying these batteries added to the list, that's $3. I mean, so there is money in the receipt section. If you want to get paid just for any receipt, all you do is take a picture of it and upload it. Like we're in their submit section, and you'll get at least 2 cents. But like I said, if you buy any of these products that they already have on here, you're getting much more than that. And when it comes to the receipts, I think the easiest way to do that is to use it through their mobile app. They have a mobile app where you can just basically take pictures of there, and you'll get credited, simple and plain. Because I think it's a little bit more difficult when you're doing it through the laptop. But that's just me. But I really do encourage you guys to download their mobile app as well, because there's money making opportunities on there as well, and you can actually do things a little easier depending on when it comes to this site, like what you're actually doing. But I know the receipt section is much more easier when you're on the mobile app. So the Discover section here, I'm just going to show you that real quick. This is basically where all their offers are. So you have different offers that you can do here. You can click view all, you'll see all of them. Down here, they have the trusted partner section where it's like AdGate, Offer Turo, IE Studios. I mean, all the different, ones you always see in pretty much any typical get paid to site here. They got the receipt section here as well. They had the explore web content and earn. Now, this is really good too for those of you who like the really, really easy money. It doesn't pay a lot, but all you're doing is clicking on these and earning 1 cent. And they put these up pretty much every day. And there's lots of them that you can just click on, and you'll see, there's kind of a very long list. So you can make a lot of money just with that. All you do is click on it, the site will pop up, leave it on there for a few seconds, close it, you'll be rewarded your 1 Swagbuck just like that. And doing things like that, they really do help build your bonus. I mean, it might not seem like 1 cent is a lot, but when you're doing all of them, you'll find that you made, over 70 cents, and then you made that, you get your 5 Swagbucks, and you keep doing it every day, your bonuses get bigger and bigger. So, I mean, that's one thing I just pay attention to. Like, every opportunities that I have on here to make money, I take it, whether it's, easy way or not. I just go for it all. So, I mean, that's pretty much a gist of what it is as far as, this site. The reward section is a really good one because I like their reward section because it has on sale rewards. Of course, they had the PayPal and the Amazon and, pretty much a lot of gift cards. But one thing that you don't see on a lot of get paid to sites is on sale rewards, which is right here, which is 99.9% of the time when I cash out on this site, this is what I use. If I go to view all, it'll show me all of these different offers that they have. And like I said, the one thing I love about it is like because they're on sale, like say you buy like this one right here. This is one I usually get $25 Visa gift card or a MasterCard, whatever, but I only have to give them $21.75, 2,175 Swagbucks. It's a 13% off. So it's like when you cash out on this site with the on sale rewards, you actually, get more than you're giving. So it's not, I don't have to they don't have to take 2,500 out of my account, 2,500 Swagbucks. They're only going to take out 2,175, and that's kind of like a bonus because I'm cashing out and basically kind of paying me for cashing out. So I mean, that's why I like it. I usually just shop in here. I think the biggest one right here is $25 gift card I usually get. They have other ones you can get, but they're not. The sale isn't as big as the $25 one, so that's one I usually cash out with. So like I said, they also have Amazon on here, gift cards. You can kind of look right here and see um, gift cards you want to choose from. The minimum to cash out on the site, I want to say it's about $3. So it's not even a lot. But, for me, I use this site so much, I make so much money with it that I'm able to cash out, $25, $50, like, every, few days or so. Like, so that's what I do here. So I'm going to get this virtual Visa gift card to show you how this kind of works. I might end up getting two. Just depends. But right here, you see the sale. It's not 2,500 Swagbucks. It's 2,175. So they have all of this stuff you can read if you want to. I just click on claim gift card. And just like that, you just verified your gift card. So now I have $25 on the way. It usually comes to my email in about 2 days. Doesn't take a long time. So I just basically wait for that. And you see here, I still have $29.59 in my account. I will cash that out soon. I could cash it out now, but I just want to make sure I get this $25 gift card, which I know I always get. It doesn't take long at all, but just wanted to show you how easy it is to cash out on this site. It doesn't take a long time to make money with it if you're really using it actively and you're doing all of the things that they are actually offering you, that surveys, offers, take pictures of receipts, buying different, products in the store. They got on sale gift card on, it's just so many different ways to make money on here. So there's really no excuse for somebody saying they're struggling with Swagbucks because they just offer so much. So I will leave the link to this site in the description. It's completely free to sign up. Like I said, they also have a mobile app that you can download on your Android or iPhone. Doesn't matter. It works well with both. And you can make even more money on that because you can kind of be on the go and still making money with it. And so, like I said, link is in the description. Sign up today, and always remember, every penny counts. If you're interested in making even more money, I highly encourage you guys to visit my website, pennies2thousands.com. That way you can see all the free websites and apps that I use to make money. And if you want to make some real money, I'm talking about $150 every single day. I can teach you the very easy steps that anybody can do. All you have to do is book a session with the link below.